please. Before we start, search IQcodec on YouTube. Click on the like and subscribe button. Remember to activate the bell to stay tuned with our latest updates.
Hey guys, welcome back on IQcodec to this new video tutorial. So in this video of today, I'm going to be showing you guys how to respond to your WhatsApp messages offline, so nobody gets to know if you are online when you're replying to your WhatsApp messages. So before starting this tutorial, I want to get one thing clear. So people actually confuse being online and the last time seen on WhatsApp. So for example, here's my WhatsApp account. You can all see what people usually do on the setting. They move on to the account privacy and they come on to the last scene. So you can see last scene is checked on nobody. So this means that is, for example, if you have your data and you move on to, let us say, Facebook, nobody will get to see your last scene on which we the last time we were on WhatsApp. So for example, now let us actually test and see what happens when I receive a message on this last scene. So I'm going to just get out here. So back on my menu, so let us say I receive a message from this number. You can see actually right now I'm offline, whereas I have data on my Android phone. So this is because the last scene has been activated to nobody. But if I receive a message, let us say good, and the message is being sent to my phone, so see what happened. So you can see I have received the message. So right now I'm offline, but see what happens if I decide to go and view the message. Just check it, take a look at my last scene status. If I enter into my WhatsApp and decide to view the message, so you can see the ticks are already blue, which means I have seen the message. And see what happens, I am back online. So in this video I'm actually going to show you how you can solve this problem, so never being online even when you're replying your messages. So let us do this all together. Firstly, what you're going to need is that you're going to be moving on to Play Store. So let us go to Play Store. You're going to be downloading an app called Direct Chat. So please, if you are first time on this channel, click on the subscribe button to stay tuned with our latest update. So in here, you're going to search for Direct Chat. So here it is, Direct Chat, and you're going to click on the install button, accept, wait for the download to get done. So Direct Chat is finally installed. So let us get and open the Direct Chat app. So when opening, you are going to see this interface. So you are going to enable the notification. So let us enable notification. So right now you're going to be clicking on the Direct Chat to enable the notification from Direct Chat. I'm going to click OK, click on the back arrow, and you can see as from this stage you can now click on the Get Started. Click on Get Started. So on Get Started, this just pass this. Okay, so you're going to go on the apps. So you can see I'm going to add more apps since I have WhatsApp on my list. So let us add more apps. I'm going to search for WhatsApp. So you can see that this is WhatsApp. So I'm going to search WhatsApp Business. I'm going to activate it to WhatsApp and click for this act. So just click on the back arrow, so you can see WhatsApp has been added. So I'm going to disable it on Telegram and Hangout. Just get back, check a look at the settings, all is okay. So now let us try and see what happens now if I receive a message on WhatsApp. Let us see how it will look like. Let's get back in here. Right now I am still offline on my receipt number, so because I have activated the last scene to be nobody. So let us see now if I receive another message. If I send a message, so you can see I've received a new message from this number, which is actually the number I'm using for our test. So let us see what happens if I decide to reply the message and see whether it is going to show if I'm still online. So I'm going to click on the message. I'm going to reply. I'm going to say maybe Sadikwa. So I'm going to say Sadikwa, and please take note, I have seen the message but I am offline. So please, I hope you guys are actually noticing it. I have seen the message, which is you see what it let me reply now to the message. So you can see I've replied to the message and it's blue, and you can see right now I am still offline even though I am on. I'm seeing the message. So I can see decide to add more message, and in here I am still offline. My receipt does not know if I'm online or not. So this is the end of this video. I hope you guys are going to actually love this trick, and please click on the subscribe button to stay with our latest update. Thanks. See you next on IQcodec. Bye.